All right, guys, we got a 2012 Chevy Camaro RS V6. Look at that little tow hook. That's nice. Anyways, got 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. And then he brought his own complete MBRP system, axle back or cat back with an X pipe right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back, and 2 MBRP mufflers, one there and one there, into some 3.5-inch tips out the back. I'll get you guys the part number in a second on it, as you guys can see right there. So it's a complete bolt-on system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2015 Chevy Camaro V6. What we got done on this beautiful automobile of today, Camaro. 4 cats, they're there. H-pipe, factory, there. We didn't cut it off. We were gonna put an X-pipe, but we changed our mind and left the H-pipe. Did the mid resonator delete and mid rear muffler delete there and there. Did I say mid muffler delete? Rear muffler delete. And 4.5-inch black rolled tips there and right there, as you guys can see. There's the 2 resonators that we cut off. There's the gigantic mufflers we cut off, as you guys can see. So it's fully straight pipe other than the H pipe. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, please subscribe. Just a nice deep tone. Nice thing about the MBRP, you hear when you give it gas. It's not bad at all. Nice. Again, here's sound decibels. 106. Again. The part number on it. No. Where's that? Maybe on the paper? That sounds pretty good. Go ahead and back it out. Here's the part number on it, guys. It's through American Muscle. There it is. So we'll try to get a link in the description for it for you guys. That sounds really nice. I like it. Really nice to know. Not too much rasp. Again, I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Wow. It's so loud. Again. Go ahead. Bro, 123. Awesome. Go ahead and back it up. You hear it off the wall. You hear it off the mountain in the back. Wow, it's so loud. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Camaro RS V6 full bolt-on S7020 MBR system. MBRP. Good Lord, I can never say that. MBRP system. And again, here's the part number. S7020. Fits on 10 to 15 Camaro V6 catback. Full system.
Another 15 Camaro. H-pipe, straight pipe.